Put your hands together, 'cause it's time for Chandler Says. Clap, 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 clap.
It's back to school, and I would like to share with you my dream when I was a young student. I wanted to be a teacher. So that was my dream, and when I was in third grade, my teacher used to keep extra handouts of the Xeroxes, the dittos. She would keep them in a stack in the front of the room, and I just thought that was fantastic because then I could give these handouts to my fake students at home. So one day, I stole the whole pile of Xeroxes. I mean, it was like this high, and I stole the whole pile and I took them home. And then 2 days later, a student needed an extra. There were no extras. I had stolen them. They were gone. I was the thief. One of my favorite classes growing up was Spanish, and in first grade, I learned a little ditty called Elena la Ballena, which means Elena the whale. And I will now perform a small segment of that song for you. Elena, Elena, Elena la ballena, vivía, vivía, vivía en el mar. Hey mama, mamacita, vivía en el mar, vivía en el mar. Elena, Elena, Elena la ballena, vivía, vivía, vivía en el mar. Hey mama, mamacita, vivía en el mar.
Clap.